Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by again today. So in today's video I'm going to show you one of the ways I make my porridge yam. Let's get started. This is the yam we're using for this porridge, so I'll go ahead now and peel the yam. I'll peel the yam and cut it into chunks like this. Add it into a bowl with water to prevent it from changing color. And I'll continue to do this until I peel all the yam I'm going to be using. Here we are done peeling and cutting the yam and also washing it thoroughly. I also have some other ingredients which we are using for this porridge. I have some palm oil, some chopped onions, some chopped pepper and fresh tomatoes, salt to taste, some garlic powder and a seasoning cube. I also have some dry fish, crayfish, and also sliced scent leaf. Yeah, I love using scent leaf in my porridge. I'll start now by adding a cooking spoon of palm oil in a dry pot, and once it gets hot I add the onions and fry it for about a minute. After frying the onions for about a minute, I added the garlic powder. Here I have about half a teaspoon of the garlic powder. I'll keep frying. After about 30 seconds, I'll now add the fresh tomatoes and the pepper, and then continue with the other ingredients. Keep watching. It is now time to add the yam. I'll gradually add the yam into the pot, add a little more salt, stir gently and cover to cook. Yam has been cooking now for about 20 minutes or more, and I checked with fork. It is soft enough. It is well cooked, in fact. I'll now add the remaining crayfish. I did not add all the crayfish at this initial stage. I now added the remaining and stir everything together. Test for salt and seasoning, and everything tastes so nice. So the next thing I'll do now is to kind of mash some of the yam, not or just few of the yams, mash it so that I'll get that potter, you know what I mean. And then also to thicken the porridge, I'll mash and then stir everything together before adding the vegetable. Just keep watching and see what I'm doing. Thank you. Please, when you're cooking yours, use a better spoon than this mine. It is now time to add the scent leaf. You can see that the porridge has thickened. It is now time to add the vegetable, the scent leaf. I'm not adding much. I'll just add a little for more flavor of it. And then stir everything together and allow it to cook for about a minute, just a minute, and our food will be ready. And here we have our yam porridge, ready and delicious. Yes, it tasted so delicious. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and also share it to your friends and your community. Thank you all for watching. Thank you, my subscribers. To my new subscribers, you are also highly welcomed. Thank you. And to every one of you, I love you all. Thank you and God bless you. Bye-bye. All right.